Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera to our lecturer, Puan Azia binti Muhammad Azizi. Today we are going to present for our assignment for the essay circuit analysis subject. So we are choosing chapter 1, which is the frequency response in passive filter. In our group, we are having only 2 members. My name is Nurul Afifah binti Alias and my partner is Ranisha Tiagarajan. So I will start with the introduction of the frequency response. What is the frequency response of a circuit? Frequency response is the variation in a circuit's behavior with change in signal frequency and may also be considered as the variation of the gain and phase with frequency. Analysis of a circuit with varying frequency of a sinusoidal sources is called the frequency response of. Next, what is passive filter? For the filter is the circuit that designed to pass signals with desired frequencies and reject or attenuate others. For the passive filter, it just consists of only passive elements R, L, and C, which are resistor, inductor, and capacitor. For the passive filter, they are having 4 types of filters. They are low pass filter, high pass filter, band pass filter, and band reject filter. So now I will explain the type of filter that I mentioned just now. So we will start from the low pass filter. Low pass filter is the passes signals at frequency lower than the cut-off frequency from input to the output. So this is the diagram for the low pass filter. Next, the type of filter is high pass filter. High pass filter is the passes signals at frequency higher than the cut-off frequency from the input to the output. So this is the diagram for the high pass filter. Then I will explain for the band pass filter. Band pass filter is the passes signals with the band defined by 2 cut-off frequency from the input to the output. So this is the diagram for the band pass filter. And the last for the type of filter is band reject filter. Band reject filter is the passes signal outside the band defined by 2 cut-off frequency from the input to the output. So this is the diagram that shows the band reject filter. For our topic that we are choosing, which is frequency response, we are choosing speaker for the application of the passive filter. So for the application, my partner will explain more about it. So that's all from me.
Hi, today I will explain about passive application of passive filter. Okay, we have 2 speakers. What is a speaker? Speaker is one of the most common output device used with computer systems. Some speakers are designed to work specifically with computers, while others can be hooked up to any type of sound systems like DJ, radio jockey. Speakers are transducers that convert electromagnetic waves into sound wave. The speakers receive audio input from a device such as computer or an audio receiver. It's an audio receiver example like DJ speaker. The sound produced by speakers is defined by frequency and amplitude. The frequency determines the high or low pitch of the sound is. What does sound in relation to speaker? Sound movement is pressure waves. When air particles are compressed and rarefied fast enough, we hear it as sound. The faster the air pressure changes, the higher the frequency of the sound we hear. When a speaker moves back and forth, it pushes on air particles which damage the air pressure and particles which damage the air pressure and creates sound wave. These are the parts of the speaker. Some parts of the speaker. How do the speaker works? It works by converting electrical energy into mechanical energy motion. The mechanical energy also compresses air and converts the motion to sound energy, which delivers the sound. In speakers, a current is sent through the voice coil, which produces an electric field that interacts with the magnetic field of the permanent magnet attached to speaker. Like charge repel each other and different charges attract, as an audio signal is sent through the voice coil and the musical waveform moves up and down. What separates the best speaker from the better speaker? The ultimate is for a speaker is how similar the waveform in the air is to the electronic signal that was sent into the amplifier. The several factors are frequency response, amount of distortion, and the directionality of the speaker. What is frequency and why it is important? Frequency response is how loud the output of a speaker will be at different frequency. Example, once the frequency is higher, the sound is also higher. A typical test for frequency response sound out for a sweep of frequency from the bass to the mids and end up to the treble range to see if the sound from the speaker is the same in all the areas. From this, we have learned that a simple passive low filter and high pass filter can easily made by connecting together in a series a single resistor with a single capacitor. For low pass filter, it passes the signal with low frequency and attenuates the signal with high frequency, while for high pass filter, it passes high frequency signal and attenuates low frequency signals. Thank you.